So break in your new tire. Hindi po yan masakit. Hindi yan tulad yung nag-break kayo ng girlfriend mo. Masakit sa puso yun. Ito, masarap. Hello everyone, J-Cat Moto here. So the sun is out. Let us gas. Let's gas up first. Saan abot ang 120 pesos? So we're going to gas up for 120 pesos. This would be enough for 130 kilometers. Gas up. Let's go. Hello. It's a Wednesday afternoon and the sun is out, so am I. Mainit ang panahon kaya lalabas muna tayo, but I have one important reason why am I out here right now. That is more than just riding. So yesterday, I bought a new tire for my bike, the Sniper. I bought a IRC EXATO 120 by 70 by 17 to replace my Pirelli Angel City. Shout out to my friend Ryan from Asin City for helping me out, because I really don't know where to buy EXATO anywhere here in Leyte other than in Asin City. So we are in the process of breaking in my new tire. Break in po. Usually you hear people break in their motorcycle engine or your motorcycle in general. Usually the brand new ones, you hear them, uy, break in mo to. Well, part of it is breaking in your tire if you have a new one. So today, ngayong araw, karong adlaw, we are breaking in the new tire. So today we're traveling around 130 kilometers to break in this new tire of mine. Because by the books, it says that you have to travel around 50 to 100 miles in order to break in a tire, a new tire. Well, if you convert that, 50 to 100 is around 80 to 160 kilometers. So today we're going to loop part of Leyte, which is from Inopacan going to Baybay, going to Mahaplag, to Sogod, to Bato, to Hilongos, to Hindang, and back to Inopacan. So takpong choppy lang ta. Well, anyway, there are people who commented. Mark Nadal. So shout out to the CSNC family. Bernard, Stick Shit, Kevin, Francis Roa, Jeff. Shout out to Johannes also. And then Michael Naval. Of course, Prince Edward from somewhere in Mindanao. So going back to the process of breaking in. Before that, this was the part here where the drag race was held. I posted a video about the drag race. So it was between a team from Baybay versus a team from Hilongos, Leyte. There are three things you need to remember before driving your motorcycle. Number one, avoid sudden acceleration. Number two, avoid maximum or hard braking. And number three, the last one, avoid doing hard cornering or aggressive cornering, because a new tire is a bit slippery. You need to scuff up the tread first before you can get the maximum traction or the grip of your tire. So that is why you need to break in your tire. we still have 110 kilometers to go. So use the diversion road. Good thing today is a beautiful sunny day. Saan aabot ang 120 pesos ko? I just gas up around 120 pesos. I hope I can manage to go home with it. Just doing around 70 kilometers per hour. Top of 70-80 kilometers, although some part I will be doing 80. Especially if I am going to overtake vehicles in front of me. Really have to accelerate. So break in your new tire. Hindi po yan masakit. Hindi yan tulad yung nag-brake kayo ng girlfriend mo. Masakit sa puso yun. Ito, masarap. Masarap kasi nai-enjoy mong motor mo. Yep. You get to enjoy your motorcycle. You get to ride. May rason ka. You have to ask for your wife, your girlfriend, your mother, your father's permission. You tell them that, hey, pops, break-in ko lang yung gulong ko. That easy. No. So, twisties. So done with twisties out there. Not really that advisable twisties because there are a lot of loose gravels and road constructions that are happening. Still in braking period of my tire, so I really can't rely on it. As far as grip, maximum grip the tire is designed for is concerned. Anyway, already into going to Mahaplag proper. After that it's going to be Sogod, and we're going to pass by Agas-agas Leyte, or no, Agas-agas Bridge. Shout out to Villas Jericho. You don't know where you're from, but thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing on Instagram with hashtag cemetery. And there are a lot of twisties here, so let's enjoy the twisties. And the road is made of asphalt, so I can expect to have a grippy road here. Another Instagrammable bridge. Doggy, what? Loose gravels again, loose gravels. I don't know how many times have I been here. So if you want to go below under the bridge, Agas-agas Bridge, you can go using that road over there. Unfortunately, I think it's already closed. Maybe have hazard or safety reasons. Bachelor. So this is Agas-agas right here. This is the tallest bridge in the Philippines. You might want to check it out if you are here in Leyte. I've been here before and I was able to go down way back 2016 using that area right there. The one I told you that there is a road going down. That's the entrance right there. So here is my new tire right here. It's IRC EXATO. So I've been mentioning that I have a new tire and I'm breaking it in. And the number one reason for breaking in a new tire is for traction. Yep, maximum traction. You really can't expect a new tire to be or to have a maximum traction unless you have broken it in. Kadalasan, you are hearing people having their new bike saying, "Oy, madulas yung gulong ng motor ko, kailangan ko na palitan." It's because they have not braked in the tire that's Possibly, or one of the reason why. Another reason is for breaking it in is for familiarity of handling. You really can expect a new tire to have a type of handling that your previous tire has. So that's it. So this has been Agas-agas Bridge. Twisties again, twisties left and right. But there are also loose gravels and there are also dogs. What else is new? Dogs are everywhere here in the Philippines. It's kind of stupid knowing that there are a lot of motorcyclists that can be harmed. To drive on twisties on a downhill is much difficult compared if you are doing it uphill, because your elbows tend to lock up. It's better to drive twisties going up. So we are here in Sogod, southern Leyte. This is the sort of gateway to the southern part of Leyte, going to the town of Nunangan, Hinundayan, St. Bernard. So a lot of vehicles usually use this as starting point going to those towns. Thus, there are a lot of vehicles here. Excuse me po, padaan po. Excuse me again. Excuse me, may I go out? Ay miss, pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Ay, hindi lumingon si miss, ay. What the heck? My part with so let me leave you with this poem, whatever. Anyway, here it goes. Roses are red, take two. Roses are red, violets are blue. If your tie is already worn out, go buy something new. Bye-bye.